You're welcome again to my channel and to my garden. This is Mireju Garden. Today I'll be showing you the process I take to getting soil and preparing the soil for planting. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button down below this video and turn on the notification so you don't miss any new video from me. Like the video and share with friends. I appreciate the support as I grow this channel. Thank you. These are the cement bags. I've been washed, drying them. Then I get soil and fill them up to plant vegetables into them. So the bags are dried, clean and dried. So I put them all inside here. I'm going to be using this tool today to put soil and then put some plants. So that's how I keep having sacks to use for my planting. It rained yesterday and it's a good time to get some soil from a nearby site. I ensure to get the necessary permission from the owners accordingly. Plants essentially need nutrients, sunlight, air, water in order to grow and thrive. And the nutrients are usually gotten from the soil. So soil is a basic foundation for most planting methods. If you're unable to get soil around your area like I am able to do, you can get soil from horticultural gardens, from gardens where they sell soil, or you could get plaster sand, which is used for construction. But I've found that it grows plants very well when mixed in with compost or manure. So that's an alternative if you don't have access to land to get soil like I am able to get around me. After collecting the soil, I take them home. Because the area is so close to my house, I just take them in bags. You may require a wheelbarrow or a car to transport your soil. Soil preparation is the first step to growing your plants. It involves the loosening and breaking of the soil, removing large stones and debris which may serve as obstruction to plant roots from reaching downwards. So here I'm transferring the soil into the sack that I will use for the planting. So I use the other bags for collection. Then I carefully mix in my manure and mix them in thoroughly. I also check for debris and just ensure the soil is free of stones generally. Layer that with manure. Pour in the mix soil in the sack. Depending on the kind of plant you want to put in that sack, there are different level of depth of soil that is required. You don't need so much depth for some certain plants. More powder. Actually, it's round done. I ensure the surface of the soil is level to avoid waterlogging to one side of the sack. So this is how I prepare my sack for planting. And then I get the seedling in once I'm ready. So I'm going to get more for other sacks. So these sacks are ready for seedling or seed. I also just made this one ready to fit into this available space. If you like to learn about growing your own food and growing your own vegetables, whatever little space you may think you have, you can grow something. You want to stay subscribed to this channel because you'll be learning quite a lot of how to create that space within your compound, with your balcony. You should click the subscribe button right away and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be posted about new content from here. Also, like the video and share with friends. I appreciate your support in growing this channel. Thank you.